Tanu and welcome back to my channel Tanutalks. So guys, in this video I will be coloring my hair, and for that I will be using L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss hair color. Guys, this is not the first time that I'll be using this hair color. I've used this in the past as well if you've seen my videos, and I simply loved the result. It's glossy and shiny after effects with zero hair damage as it has no ammonia. So if you're someone who is looking for a hair color to cover up your crease, or you simply want to color your hair for experimenting purposes, then this is the best DIY hair color for you. So guys, to start off with the hair color, let me show off what's inside this box. So I chose the shade number 535, which is chocolate, and inside the box you get one developer bottle, and then you get one coloring tube, one manual, two hand gloves, and one royal jelly mask. So to prepare your final hair color mix, you simply need to mix the developer with the hair color tube. For that you need to open up the developer bottle and squeeze in the hair coloring tube. You can prepare the mix according to your hair length, but I feel according to my hair length the whole tube would be enough. So after squeezing in the hair coloring tube inside the developer bottle, you need to close the bottle and mix it really well. So for the application part, I would suggest you to wrap a towel around your shoulder and wear the gloves. It is really very important. And then next I will simply start by partitioning my hair and applying the hair color, and then spreading it with my fingers, and that's it. You need to follow this step until you have colored your entire hair with the hair color. And then I simply like to tie my hair in a bun, and that's it. Now I would leave it on for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then I will rinse it off with normal water. After rinsing, I would apply the royal jelly shine mask. You just need to rinse the mask with normal water, and that's it. You can see how beautifully this hair color has changed my overall hair tone, and I simply love my new look. This has really well covered my hair grace. You can see the partition as well, and yeah, that's it. I'm really happy with my glossier and shinier new hair. So guys, that's it for today's video. Before ending this video, I would want every one of you to know that this hair color has no ammonia and it lasts up to 28 hair washes. This is available in 13 shades, and I chose shade number 535, which is chocolate. This retails for ₹550. I've mentioned the purchasing links in the description box below for you to check it out. If you have enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys next time. Till then, all take care. Bye.